Bank slowdowns are killing deals. What you need is someone to close the deal in a month or less. You find the right property, you run the numbers, you negotiate the price, and then you wait. Not for the seller, not for the title. You wait for the bank. The underwriter disappears. The loan officer needs just one more document. And the closing date you planned for? It slips. Again. By the time they're ready, the deal's dead. The seller's moved on. Your rate lock's gone. And you're back to square one. This is the reality of traditional lending in 2025. Banks are slower, they're stricter, and they're overloaded with red tape that doesn't match how real deals get done. At PhoenixFunded, we decided we're not playing that game. We built a process to close deals in 15 to 30 days, consistently. Here's how we do it. It starts with direct access to decision makers. You don't go through layers of approval, regional managers, or bank credit committees. You speak with someone who can analyze the deal, understand your timeline, and move capital accordingly. We don't need a life story. We need the numbers. What's the address? What's the purchase price? What's the plan? Are you flipping, holding, building? We make decisions based on logic and structure, not whether your 2022 tax return shows a line item a banker can understand. Let's break this down. If you're flipping a property and need speed, we use bridge loans. Short-term, interest-only, asset-based. You're in and out in months, not years. We underwrite the asset and your exit plan, not your personal income. If you're buying a rental property, we use DSCR loans, 30-year fixed options based on the property's rental income, not your W-2. No full doc underwriting, no tax transcript delays, just rent-to-debt ratio. If it covers, it qualifies. If you're building or rehabbing something major, we use construction loans, structured draw schedules, milestone-based releases, and no multi-month closing timelines. We fund from land acquisition to certificate of occupancy, with fast approvals. If you're self-employed or don't fit into a neat little box, we go stated income. No tax returns, no employment verification, just deal strength, credit profile, equity, and reserves. This is how real-world capital works. Because in today's market, speed isn't a luxury, it's leverage. Sellers don't wait for 60-day bank decisions, contractors don't freeze their schedules, materials don't get cheaper, and off-market deals, they disappear in days, not weeks. We're not here to offer products. We offer execution. Every loan we fund starts with two things: a clear deal story and a timeline that matters. Our process is built around urgency, same-day feedback, 48-hour underwriting decisions, deals that go from submission to closing in 15 to 30 days, not 60 to 90. You don't need another quote. You need a lender who understands that real estate moves fast, and so should your funding. So if the bank's dragging, if the seller's waiting, if your deal's ready, but your lender isn't, let's fix that. Stay smart, stay funded. PhoenixFunded.